finally back. So today's Saturday actually. I just came back, like it's like 10:13. I've been out since 7 a.m. because we went to Shimokitazawa to film a video, which you will probably see soon. I hope I finish editing it like sometime in next month. And yeah, so tonight is actually my last night here in my homestay family. So yeah, so I'm gonna keep packing, have dinner, and go to sleep because I have to wake up really early tomorrow to leave and everything. So yeah.
Hey guys, so I'm back and I will also be doing a commentary for this video, seeing as there are also a few holes in the videos that might be a bit hard to understand, so I'll do my best to fill those in. So back to the video.
Hey guys, so it's the next
I look
day
pretty
now,
tired.
and now obviously
I was honestly exhausted.
I've picked up everything that vacuumed, and now I'm getting ready to leave. Yeah, my host family's already gone, so I said goodbye to them and everything, and then I'll just leave and stuff. Yeah. We're gonna go to the party place, so yeah, it's gonna take us an hour, so we're definitely gonna be late. Yeah. Hopefully they don't lock us out.
Hopefully we can find the Radley.
Yeah, alright, right. But I think we can, realistically. I think we can. See you guys there.
Like, literally, I think there's this website where you can like rent out spaces and it's like crazy cheap for what it is. So yeah, like honestly, I think like I rented out a bar, like a whole bar. Like it was a small bar, but it was really cute and it was near Mount Fuji, and like they had a karaoke and everything. And I rented it out for like 5 hours for like 100 euros, which is like crazy cheap for what it is. Shibara. I don't. Hello. But donuts are so good. It's a donut time. Donut time. Whoa. Yo, Max. Honestly, it was so nice that we had Mount Fuji nearby. It was really pretty, especially with the sunset.
Going away too fast, guys. Yeah. Yeah. 주고 싶어? What is she looking at?
Oh my god, so cool!
We went crazy. Oh yeah, that was so nice. We did our last song all together. Yo! Yo! Of course, she's playing Pokemon Go.
Don't forget to like, comment, ring that bell. Please.
So we left the place now, we just finished the party, and we're probably gonna go back to Takanono-baba. Yeah, so as I was saying, we're probably gonna go to Takanono-baba and probably either do bowling or have dinner or something.
Hello, I'm Keanu.
Well, I think that was payback for her ignoring me at her birthday.
So we're in the bowling now. We're ready to hit some of these bad boys over there. Yeah, and then probably have dinner. I mean, there's like a sushi roll right upstairs.
Oh yeah, I heard this. They say it's really good.
It's really good.
It's made huge.
Yeah. We'll show you guys how we do.
Oh my god, do I know you? Are you the chicken girl? Oh my god. Chicken dance girl? No, she... Come on, you may go now. No, you better slip and slide. Oh, what? No. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's on camera. It's not fine. Good job, Bo. Ooh, drama. We love it. No, nothing.セクハラですよ。
セクハラじゃないよ。
ね
セクハラじゃないよ。でしょ？あれはパニッシュメント。
You're okay. Alright. Wow. This is honestly the only time in my life where I did bowling the right way. What are you feeling? You know, losing is quite hard, you know? Especially when I like won against you by like 11 points. You got 105 and I got 116.
I'm gonna kill you.
Can we take one on my Snapchat?
Yes, of course. Yeah. Yo.
What's up?
What's up? We're sad.
Yeah, so we're just waiting for our place in sushi.
お待たせいたしました。節達515ご覧様いらっしゃいますでしょうか。
Well, it's still take a long time.
Yeah, 私たちじゃないね。
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You're talking to a lady.
No, sir. What do you like this amount? まああんまりおしゃべりなかったけどさ、しなしな。日本語喋らないでくれる？
ありがとうね。
OK。
Are you crying? Cry. Oh my god, I see Taylor in the background like looking like... Wow, the only time where I actually didn't eat as much as everyone.
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry, that was a close shot.
Do you guys get one star in meal?
My name, yeah, my name on your body. Well, it's a little bit small. I got a hanko as a gift, like from Ali, and I just stamped it on everyone that day. I don't know, don't know why, but I just stamped everyone. Much, but you know, okay. Yeah, so after saying goodbye to everyone, and because after we had dinner, we ended up all just, you know, saying goodbyes and then leaving. And after that, I went back to Yolanda's and Effie's place for one last sleepover with Ali and Yuji and Nydia. And yeah, and at that point, we were just about to go on a little food run. Oops, sorry. Oh, sorry, and Taku. Yeah, Taku was there as well. he ended up joining us later for the sleepover. Bye, Nick.
Please don't be as her. I'm more worried.
5 a.m. Convening. Here we go. Yeah, I know. We're not sleeping. People, yeah, people are already delivering the newspaper because it's 5 a.m. We haven't even slept yet. Oh god. And I have my flight later. Oh my. But honestly, Taco doesn't know what he's missing out on right now. Like, we're fucking buying food over here and he's probably sleeping right now.
I know.
Yeah.
We should do something bad to him.
Honestly, we should really have done something bad to him. But yeah, no, and after that, I didn't end up filming anymore for the night, but we did take like some photos and commemorated our last moments together. And we had like lunch the next day, and then after that, I ended up leaving, and Yolanda helped me go to the airport. Everyone now, and just me and Yolanda going to the airport. Hi, Yolanda. You are really everywhere.
Yeah, I'm everywhere. I'm showing out 90% of your video.
I know, 90%, yeah. Oh my goodness, where should we go?
Here.
So, we're on the train now. At the airport.
Catch a train on time.
Just on time.
Just on time.
Yeah, and that was also the last video I took before leaving Yolanda at the airport. It was really sad. Yeah. And I mean, like, I was so stressed out with all my stuff that I ended up forgetting, like, one of my luggage in the security area. Oh my god, but I was so stressed out and sad to leave as well. So I was thinking about other things. But yeah.
So I just got back home now and I'm about to go into my room. It's been such a long time since I've been here. It feels really weird because it feels like it feels like I haven't left like very long ago, but at the same time, yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, and then I did a few other videos, but I didn't end up putting them in because I didn't think it was really relevant. But yeah, so that's it. That's all I have for my Japan videos, and now that's it. Closure for the trip. My last video is basically done, and honestly I have to say this was one of the greatest experiences of my life, and I definitely miss everyone in Japan so much, and I really want to go back soon to see everyone. Hopefully I will be able to early next year, depending on the situation. I don't know, but yeah, so that's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, this was a great experience for me. not just for like Japan, but like even video making. good excuse to start making videos. But yeah, anyways, so thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.